We live in an increasingly complex world. Innovations, such as the Internet and the proliferation of television channels, have significantly increased the amount of information, opinion, and argument at our disposal. Critical thinking, a brand new venture from AQA, provides ways through these complications, allowing us to form properly based judgments about issues and events that affect us all. Our specification is rooted in the real world, where arguments don't always follow the path of formal logic. They twist and turn and are subject to bias, unsubstantiated claims, and appeals to dubious authority. Our specification teaches students the ways through this maze. At AS, students are equipped with the tools of critical thinking. They're taught to recognize and analyze an argument, and how it is different from explanation or assertion. They learn how claims are made, the ways information can be presented in different formats, how to see patterns and relationships, to judge reliability and evidence, and what is safe or unsafe to infer from data. At A2, they'll revisit and reinforce many of these concepts and issues, and tackle more demanding material, beliefs and the basis for them, different kinds of evidence, the use of analogy in making arguments, and real-life examples of deductive reasoning. They'll also look at the relationship between critical thinking and formal logic, persuasive language, and grapple with some of the major ethical issues of our times. Critical thinking is a practical subject that doesn't require any fancy or expensive equipment. Students learn by analyzing the arguments of others and constructing their own arguments. So, much of the testing will be through the examination of documents and texts, some of which will be available to students in advance of the exam, and which they can discuss with their teachers. You can choose to enter students for particular units in January and June examinations. Both AS units will be available from January 2009. AS alone is a useful preparation for future life and citizenship. Those who move on to A2 meet breadth as well as depth and have a chance to engage with a whole raft of issues from a variety of disciplines. This is the essence of our new specification, examining a subject which more and more people are seeing as important.